Welcome back to my channel. This video is about Dubai Mall. If you are visiting Dubai, this place is a must because the largest mall in the world by total area. Dubai Mall is located in downtown Dubai. Most people are asking how to get here. I think the easiest way is by metro. Take the red line to Burj Khalifa. From the station, you can follow the air-conditioned metro link bridge. It takes about 10 minutes to walk directly into the mall. The Dubai Mall has huge parking area. If you are driving, there's parking for over 14,000 cars. If you are coming by a taxi, you can ask them to drop you right at the main entrance. Here you can see over 1,200 shops, an aquarium, ice rink and so many things. This mall has over 200 restaurants and cafes, from fast food to fine dining. The food court is on level 2, has global chains and local favorites. You can try shawarma, biryani or Arabic sweets. And also there's a kids zone. It's an indoor educational city for children aged 4 to 16. They can role play as doctors, pilots, chefs, and all in safe, air-conditioned environment. VR Park is another highlight. Virtual reality rides, games, and experience for all ages. If you want a view of the city, go at the top, Burj Khalifa. The entrance is inside the mall. It's on the lower ground floor. For luxury and comfort, visit the Fashion Avenue extension. It opened in 2018 and added more high-end stores and cafes. And also, don't miss the Chinese village and souk area here. It gives you a taste of traditional Middle East design. It's better if you can download the Dubai Mall app before you go there. It has a map, deals and real-time events updates. The mall is huge, so plan your route. You can use digital directories on every floor. Opening hours are usually 10 am to midnight on weekdays and until 1 am on weekends. Entry to the mall is free. This is Dubai Ice Rink. It's a full Olympic-size ice rink in the middle of the desert. It's open daily and perfect if you want a break from the heat. Beginners are also welcome. There are instructors and penguin aids for kids. If you are visiting in summer, Dubai Mall is perfect escape. It's fully air conditioned and open all day. This is Dubai Mall waterfall. And also this is one of the most iconic photo spots inside. And this is a 24-meter waterfall located near the Fashion Avenue. I think it's best for photo shoots in the morning when it's less crowded. I think in Dubai Mall accessibility is excellent. Wheelchairs, elevators and prayer rooms are everywhere. And also we can see nursing rooms for families, and the Dubai Mall is very family friendly. And also the famous fountain show, it's right outside the mall facing Burj Khalifa. And the shows run every 30 minutes in the evening. Water shoots up to 140 meters. Dubai Mall is more than a mall. It's a city within a city. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.